Page 40, F major scale and chords. Introducing the key of F major. F major has one flat in the key signature. You can see it there. That's B flat. So all the B's are flatted automatically in F major. The fingering is a little bit different for the right hand because of the black key involved. Because in the past, in C, you go 1, 2, 3, 1. Or in G major, it's 1, 2, 3, 1. Well, we can't do that in F because that would be, you do that. I mean, there's times in piano playing you actually have to do that, but we don't finger the scale that way. We do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1. So this. And it took me forever to get to where I could play this scale decently. It wasn't until I was in college, my last couple of years of college, when it finally began to come in where I could play. This, I have scale videos. Go to my scale video on F major, and you just as well do the D minor scale also, because D minor is the relative minor. It has one flat. Just do them both. One octave up and down. Do the trill exercise, the accents, and work the wrist just like I explain it. Don't leave anything out. It's important you do all of that. Here they've got I don't like using music in this scales. I want to focus on the keyboard and what it feels like on the key, what it actually physically feels like to play them. And they just got I don't go that fast, of course. I've been doing this for a million years, so it's a little easier for me. But you learn the scale, and then the primary chords, the 1, 4, and 5, 7 chords. Well, and the 1 chord is the F chord, of course, because it's an F major scale. It's an F chord. Built on step 1. The 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're using the notes in the F major scale. So every other note, it's a B flat chord, because the bottom note's B flat. And we don't use this arrangement, we put the F on the bottom, so it's here to here. So it's a 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, and then the 5, 7 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's a C chord. That's the 5 chord, and then we add the 7th. Remember there's a B flat and F major? Yeah. That's the 5, 7 chord, and then we just rearrange it like we did all the others. So the bottom note goes down a half a step, and use the top 2 notes in the 5-finger position. So you got the 1 chord, the 4 chord, the 5, 7 chord, and the 1 chord. You're going to run across them in the music as long as you know what they are. That's what's important. I'm not going to do a play with me on this. You can do this. If you have any questions, let me know.